I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Weebly. A drop-down menu is a simple way to organize your site so visitors can quickly find what they need without cluttering your top navigation. Think of it as a tidy parent item that reveals related pages underneath when someone hovers or taps. We'll walk through the exact steps to set this up in Weebly, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so your menu looks clean and works smoothly. First, open your Weebly editor. This is where you'll make all your site updates. Once you're in, you'll see the main editing interface with your site preview and the top toolbar. Next, go to Pages. This section controls your site's navigation. What appears here is what your visitors see in the menu, so any changes you make in Pages directly shape the structure of your navigation. Create a new page that will act as your main menu item. This is the parent that will hold your dropdown. Give it a clear, short name so it fits neatly in the menu bar. You don't have to add content to this page unless you want it to be a real destination. It can simply serve as a container for your subpages. The key is the title. Make it descriptive and easy to scan, like services, products, or resources. Now, to build the dropdown, drag another page under that new parent page to create a subpage. Click and hold the page you want to nest, then drag it slightly to the right beneath the parent until you see it indent. That indent means it's now a subpage and will appear in the dropdown. You can add multiple subpages this way, and you can drag to reorder them so the most important items appear first. Keep labels short and consistent so the list is easy to read. When you're satisfied with the structure, click Done to save the navigation changes, then click Publish to push everything live. After publishing, visit your site like a visitor would. On desktop, hover over the parent menu item to see the subpages appear. On mobile, the parent will typically expand when tapped. If your dropdown doesn't display as expected, it may be due to your theme's menu style. Most modern Weebly themes support sub-navigation, but behavior can vary. That's all it takes. Open the editor, go to Pages, create your parent page, nest your subpages by dragging, and finish with Done and Publish. With a few clear titles and a logical order, your drop-down menu will make your site easier to navigate and more professional for your audience.